So how important is the sponsorship from Wins then, and what do you plan to spend it on?
Well, the sponsorship from Windsor is very, very important. It's helped to maintain the green because we have to buy everything ourselves. We've got to buy seed, we've got to buy pesticides, we've got to pay for people to come and do it, we've got to hire the machinery. So Wins sponsorship money goes a long way to help out that.
So how important is Walker Bowling Club to the local community then?
It's a very important club to the local community. It helps to keep people fit from old age pensioners who live by themselves. They come out, it's the only chance you get to interact with some people. If it wasn't for the club, you wouldn't have that interaction.
So it's a little bit like a social club as well then?
It's basically, it is a social club as well. We try to introduce people to it all the time, all different ages, men and women to welcome. But as I say, we're looking for new people all the time. The more the merrier.